Now on your screen, you can see quotient rule. If you see the quotient rule, let me read it out for you. Please look at the screen. A is the numerator, B is the denominator. A is the numerator, B is the denominator. Therefore, quotient rule is denominator square in the denominator. Denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator upon denominator square. This complete rule is called as quotient rule. Therefore, if I have a numerator A and denominator B, my quotient rule is directly I have to divide by B square. Then in the numerator, I have to do denominator term into differentiation of numerator minus numerator term into differentiation of denominator. I'll give you one example which will follow the same formula that I have written on the screen so that you can understand it better. Okay, so that you can understand it better. For example, let me give you a problem. Differentiation or d by dx of x power 8 by sine x. I'm just giving you an example so that other problems become easier. Now we know that this is our quotient, or this is our division rule. I cannot use product, I cannot use addition. Therefore, by the rule, look at the rule. First, I have to write denominator square. Therefore, without thinking anything, my thing is I will write denominator square. Then what comes next? This term, denominator into differentiation of numerator. So denominator is what? Denominator is sine x into differentiation of numerator. What is differentiation of numerator? What is numerator? X power 8. Differentiation will be 8x power 7. Clear? Then it will be minus. What is the next part? First term, that is numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Now numerator as it is, differentiation of the denominator. Numerator as it is means x power 8 as it is. Into differentiation of sine x will be cos x. Therefore, it is minus x power 8 cos x. Therefore, this is my complete answer for quotient rule. Therefore, if this is the question, differentiate x power 8 by sine x, my answer is this. Did you guys understand? Easy? For that, this formula is very important to know the quotient. Therefore, make a note. Here dash indicates we are differentiating. Here A is our numerator and B is our denominator. A is the numerator and B is the denominator. So start solving. So again, take this question on your own. Then try to solve. Start. Done? Easy?
Yes.
One problem for you to solve. I'll explain. Then two more problems for you to practice. And then we are done with our differentiation part. This is basics of differentiation.
Okay.
With that, we complete from physics point of view, we complete 80% differentiation. From maths point of view, you will have completed around 20% of differentiation. So, the question for you, I want to solve this, but before I solve this, first I'll give you time to solve. If you're getting it, well and good. So with the problems, your quotient rule will be done. Then there'll be hybrid problems. Hybrid problems means you have to use quotient rule also plus product rule. That will be our last problem for today. Is derivative, Nikhil, not derivative and differentiation is the same, not derivation. But derivative and differentiation is one and the same. Okay? Easy problem to begin with. Start. Okay, let's start. So the first thing you will have to do is denominator square. So denominator is x square, so it will become x square the whole square. And if you look at the formula again, it is denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. So denominator into differentiation of numerator. So if I take denominator x square, differentiation of numerator is minus sine x, because differentiation of sine x is cos x and cos x is minus sine x. Minus numerator as it is and differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of x square, you will get it as 2x. Okay? Therefore, you will get the answer as minus sine x into x square minus 2x into cos x upon x power 4. You can take x outside and cancel it also, but not necessary right now. If you are getting this kind of answer, it's correct. Tell me, are you getting this kind of answer? We directly applied quotient rule and we got the answer. Getting it? Any doubt, ask me. Because if you have understood this, hardly 2 to 3 problems more, and then you're good to go with differentiation of foundation physics. And then when you get your module, you can start solving the questions on your own. Shall we continue? Any doubt in this? Shall I give you the next one? Start. Once you're done, please let me know that you're done.
Done, sir.
I have got answers from very few people. Others just reply agreed with the right yes. Okay. Now we'll start with denominator square. Now denominator square, I have to write it as 8 log x the whole square. That is denominator square. And then the numerator will become denominator into differentiation of numerator. X power 8 is 8x power 7 minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Differentiation of 8 log x, 8 is a constant, log x is 1 by x. Now you can multiply, you can take x out, you can open the square, but doesn't matter. If you have got this answer also, I am more than happy. Ultimately, applying the logic is important. You can simplify this to whichever level you want, but this is the basic you're supposed to get. This is the direct substitution of the formula that you're supposed to get. Okay, denominator square, denominator into differentiation of numerator minus numerator into differentiation of denominator. Here, everyone is getting this answer.
Yes, sir.
Now, let me take one level higher, and this time it is a combination of product rule and quotient rule. Check it out. I hope you understood why is it a combination of quotient rule and product rule. You should understand why. Now start somewhere. First, it depends how the step goes on. I will show you when